How to make Instagram Reels. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to learn how you can make Instagram Reels. At first, if you don't have Instagram downloaded yet, go ahead and download Instagram app from your app store. After you've done it, open the Instagram app. After you've opened the Instagram app, there you can see different options at the bottom. Select the middle option, that's a plus symbol as well. After you press it, there are multiple different options at the bottom. If you can see there, it says post, story, reel or live. Go ahead and press reel. After you get here, select the video you have already captured, or you can just go ahead and capture new reels just tapping the camera icon or GIFs. If you have already selected the required videos and photos, all you have to do is press next. If you want to add any text or music related to it, you can just go ahead and edit it as well, or add some music with it. After you've done it, all you have to do is press next, and after pressing next, it says other can download and share your reels. If you want to go ahead and let them, just press continue. And after you follow all the things here, if you want to add captions, go ahead and add captions, and if you want to add other things as well, go ahead and fill it. After you've done, all you have to do is press next. After you've done it, it asks you permission to share. After you press share, your reel is finally being uploaded. After the uploading process is finished, your reel will finally be uploaded. And that is how you can upload your reels in Instagram. And if you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.